changes, huh? Okay, so we'll do FM, modulation, demodulation. Okay, so definitely this is posted already. So this is what you will have, right? You will extract it and you will have this. Okay, double click on that and you will have a Java file like this. Does it work for me as well?
Yeah, the same.
Actually, mine opens and it asks for the username and password, and nothing happens.
It works for whom?
It works for me.
It works for you? Can you give me your laptop, please? Okay, I will try to solve it, okay? And I like the steps. I like the steps for everybody, okay? Student 1. Yeah, same thing. Yes. Even for me, it's asking the. By the way, for FM signal, the bandwidth is 2 times message bandwidth plus frequency deviation. Okay? So suppose my message has highest frequency component 20 kilohertz. Okay? Message input is message maximum amplitude is 2 volts. Understood? So the maximum is 2 volts. It can be smaller than that, right? And my sensitivity is 2 kilohertz per volt. Okay? What is the FM bandwidth? So I will use by Carson's rule. FM bandwidth equals 2 times of message bandwidth plus frequency deviation. Okay? And we'll confirm it in the simulation, right? How will you confirm the FM bandwidth in simulation? You will look at your FM signal and you will see the bandwidth, the minimum minus the maximum. No, maximum minus the minimum. That is the FM bandwidth. Okay? We'll confirm that, right? So that's going to be 2 times message bandwidth is. What is the message bandwidth? Sorry? 20 kilohertz. Okay? Alright? Because the highest frequency component is 20. So the message bandwidth will be from 0 to 20. That's the message bandwidth. Okay? Plus frequency deviation is, what is the maximum frequency deviation you can have? before that, what is the unit of frequency deviation? What is the unit of frequency deviation? Sorry? Hertz, right? It's frequency deviation, right? Okay, so you already used that. What else do you have? You have amplitude and this. So what do you think the frequency deviation would be? 2 multiplied with this, because volt get cancelled and then you have that, right? So that's going to be 2 volts multiplied by 2 kilohertz per volt. That's going to be 2 times 22 kilohertz. Yeah, I know, I'm just checking if you're following. And then that's going to be 48 kilohertz. Okay? Make sense? Alright? Okay, good. It works on whose laptop? I'm going to do this how to check the Java version and install latest Java.
Sir,
Yeah?
about the holiday, we still have received an email from you, but we still do not have any control over it.
Don't ask me controversial questions. These are all controversial questions. I go and ask anybody. I go and ask anybody. They tell me, "Did you receive an email?" Why? So they they charge me like that. Did you receive an email? What do you mean? Oh, so I don't want. I'm not going to ask
The government
anybody.
has spoken, but Q will not speak.
Sorry?
The government has spoken, but Q will not speak.
I don't know. You said they have a conference or what? I don't know. You said something like that.
That is not correct.
You said that there's a conference or something or what happening, right? Leave it, ignore it. So this is what I'm going to do, okay? So I'm going to do this, right? And also I want you to do the same thing, okay? Make sense? I'm going to do this myself, and if I fix it, I will post a video, all right? Before I was not worried about this, but now it seems this is the only hope. So who's working on it? Okay. Right. Do you have HDMI or VGA?
I think it's yeah.
Yeah. Allah. Can I start from scratch? Where is the desktop? Where's the file?
Oh, in communications.
Here? I can go in?
Yes.
Then lab 4?
The first one.
First one. Okay, so again, this is how you do it, right? So you go in, okay, go in, then I'm scared of coughing now. Then you go and do the executable file.
And you still got this to
See, don't do this guilt trip with me, huh? Don't make me feel guilty. Okay. So then the username is student1, and the password is, where is the other one?
It's supposed to appear itself.
Yeah, yeah. And then it is password 1.
Just close the other.
Okay. Do it afterwards. Okay. Then you go here. Click here to start. Okay. So this is like the Imuna, right? And I'm sure you have almost used it for your pre-lab, right? Please remind me I have to extend the pre-lab submission. Okay. So now the first thing is I'm going to use what does the manual say?